You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish, I believe originally from Mexico, Latin America, South America. No, I think it's pretty much Mexican. Camarones, this is the Spanish word for shrimps. Camarones, camarones. If you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, you can say camarones. Okay, camarones. A la diabla, meaning the devil's sauce, let's say. A la diabla, camarones a la diabla, because it's pretty spicy with some red chili pepper sauce. Camarones a la diabla. Now, if you're at a restaurant and you want to order in English, you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly, say camarones a la diabla. Camarones a la diabla. I hope that works for you. Let me know in the comments if that pronunciation worked. Did you get it? Let me know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.